Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert, and today I am bringing you to an unboxing, but more specifically we're going to be talking about Yeezy or Kanye West, obviously, because I've waited a few months now for my order, and it's finally arrived, it's finally turned up, and I'm sure a lot of other people have dealt with the same things. The title will probably be in relation to that, but the thumbnail will include everything else. But yeah, without further ado, we're just going to get straight into this. If you can't tell by my voice, I'm not well. I'm crashing out and I'm zoning out completely, but I want to get this recorded and done because I've got everything. I don't really want it to like hang around too long. So yeah, as per norm, let me know down below whether or not you ordered anything from Yeezy or anywhere else and it's taken a long time to get to you. But yeah, let's just jump straight into this anyway. Okay, so obviously we have everything here, as you can see, and a couple of other pieces that I'll go and grab. First and foremost, just for a stupid thing, I don't have anything fast food related ever, but when the Yu-Gi-Oh! Like Hello Kitty thing came out, I went there for the first time in over 2 years. Got it. I wanted Blue Eyes, as you can tell. I got Obelisk the Tormentor, so it's stupid, it really is, but at the end of the day, I just wanted it in the end. And I was also going because some of my friends in America were after specific ones, and then they announced that they're then going to release it in America during the summer. So with that plan went out the window. So these two arrived very recently, which are from a brand called Hypnotized. So I would have done the unboxing, but I wanted to try them on and test them at the time. I wore this t-shirt the other day, which is Killua from Hunter x Hunter, and obviously this is also a Hunter x Hunter jacket, as you can tell. They're both with Hypeplan. They always get like officially like licensed merchandise. So yeah, that's what they are in the end. And I wanted something that sort of, you know, went together. The thing is, this is small. It fits me, you know, which is cool. This is a medium, and I'll be honest, it runs a little bit short. Now, it might just be how their sizing has changed, because this release was like 2 years or 3 years ago. So with that, it might have changed, and I do really like it overall and all of the details and how it looks, because you've got the main cast, obviously. But yeah, it's just one of those things. I just thought I'd show that because it's just something cool, and I genuinely never buy anything that's like denim related in the end. So yeah, I've been changing the camera constantly during this. Anyway, let's rip through things a little bit now, because obviously Yeezy Kanye will probably be last realistically, to end on hopefully a bang, possibly. But for now, we've got Uniqlo. So if you don't know, obviously, this is how delayed this is. So it was May the 4th, obviously, Star Wars Day was recently, you know, a thing. And as of that, Uniqlo had a collection. However, they dropped it a little bit late, and by a little bit, I mean a full week. So with that, you know, not the best in the world, but still, I am a pretty large, you know, sort of Star Wars fan. At the end of the day. So with that, I did have to grab 2 tees from it. Now, if you know, probably not, with me and Star Wars, and me and specifically Kit, they had a Star Wars collection where I wanted to buy all of the posters. Fortunately, I did. Unfortunately, they cancelled my order, and that is because one of the posters was this sort of iconic return of Jedi lightsaber. You know, these look very big for a medium. It's this iconic design, and it was a poster, obviously, in the end. And with that, I'd wanted it, I'd got it, and I wanted to get them all framed, and it didn't happen because they cancelled my order. So yeah, anyway, besides that, I then got the Empire Strikes Back tee from Uniqlo as well, which just says beware. I'll be honest, I'm not going to get it out, but it's beware the Empire Strikes Back at this theatre sooner than you think. May the Force be with you. I can throw the pictures up of the people wearing them and everything, but yeah, I got 2 black colorways because personally I felt they looked the best as an overall. A couple of the other designs were good, and you had the iconic like shadow leading into Darth Vader design, but for me, I just personally like black colorway a lot more than I do, and I wear it a lot more than white colorway, so it's just 2 tees slapping onto that. I know that I say I shouldn't buy things so consistently, but at the same time, for the sake of like 17-18 pounds or something like that from Uniqlo, it's not the worst. A little bit more expensive than they used to be. They used to be £12.90 per like piece. They've upped that price, but at the same time the quality is still the same, so is everything else. So next up, we're going on to something actually a little bit unique, which is funny because I don't tend to get things that are that special, I suppose you could say. But in short, I received an email not too long ago from YouTube, which is funny because I don't really get anything, you know, as far as things have gone. My like connection with them, I used to get emails quite frequently, and they'd be like, you're doing well, congrats, like here's a promotion of this, or here's this, which was amazing and cool. Don't really tend to get those a lot nowadays, but there was this email that came through in relation to being partnered with them, because I'm sure a majority of people will be out there, but it's in relation to a thing called High Five from them. And I was like, what's this? I'll take a look. You know, it said like 5 minutes ago I'd received the email, and I was like, I'll take a look. I signed up because you needed like a unique code that they sent you to sign up. So I was like, yeah, sure, I'll sign up. I went onto it, and it just had a load of promotional things that you could claim and get. One of them, which was, if I believe this is this, hopefully, if you were one of the first 1,000 people, then you got a YouTube like neon light from them, which I believe that's what this should be, which is quite cool. There are a couple of other things to sign up to with them, but yeah, this was one of the things, and it is. Oh my god, that's actually so cool. I've never actually received something from YouTube, I'm not gonna lie, so this is actually cool. So there we go, High Five. Lights, camera, glow. You've managed to get your hands on a limited edition YouTube neon. A special thank you from your friends at YouTube for brightening the world with your creativity. We'd love to see your new sign in action. Tag us at YouTube, hashtag YouTube High Five, so we can check it out. Isn't that cool? Like genuinely, like I never, like yeah, that is so cool. So yeah, there are only 1,000 of these, as the email stated. So you know me and sort of limited, I suppose, things in the end. That's actually really cool. So let's open it up. Oh, there's another thing inside. Have fun. And then it's got the specifications and everything to it. Indoor use only. This is sick. This is actually sick. And there it is. Yeah, it's literally a neon glowing sign. So what I would do, get it plugged in like next to me. I wonder what this is. Is this like a pamphlet of how to use it? No, it's not how to use it. Hit the power button on the stand and hold it to adjust the brightness. Going off topic from Kanye, obviously, this has a stand and everything. Oh my god. Okay, let's plug it in and take a look at what it does then. That's it in. That colour does not show the same, so then you hold it to adjust the brightness. Is that getting brighter or not? I can't tell. Oh, it's definitely getting more dim. That's cool. Isn't that cool? Thank you, YouTube, for putting it out there and doing the whole program. I'll sit that there. Oh, I need to sit my hands like this. So onto the main piece for this video, we're going to be talking about Kanye West, Yeezy, and the whole ordering and shipping. So obviously, recently it's been more of a European thing, where on the Yeezy website they've been dropping, obviously you've got like the vultures and you've had all of the things, you've got like the sock, I can't remember its actual name, so I just call it the sock that they released, and you had all of the Super Bowl ads that went out, but for Europe we've been getting the Gap pieces, little and often. They've just been dropping here and there sporadically, and yeah, it's cool, you know, because obviously it was cancelled, it's not really going anywhere, so there's going to be an amount of stock. And with that, it's just cool that they're releasing it. But here's the issue. I know that when most people clicked onto most of the pieces, they said that the shipping time would be 4 to 6 weeks, you know, from order or what have you, maybe even 2 to 4 weeks. When I clicked on for the Gap piece that I ordered, it was 2 weeks ship time. No more, no less, 2 weeks. Obviously, you can tell where we're at currently. Now, after about 6 weeks, yeah, 6 weeks, it then shipped with DHL. And I was like, that's cool. Not as fast as I was expecting, but it's cool because there were people on Reddit saying things like, it's been 3 months and there's been nothing. And the thing is, with the Super Bowl, there were like 1 million orders or something like that. And they're getting through like 1 to 10,000 a day-ish. So it is what it is. But yeah, so that was shipped. I was like, that's cool. It's shipped, no problem. Then after about a week, my shipping vanished from DHL. It was just nothing, and people had said, you know, that happens, then you'll get another email or another thing saying it's on its way, and that'll be that. And I'm like, cool. A month went by, you know, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and now we're here. And yeah, the shipping updated, it said that it was out, and that's it. And I'm like, okay, that's fine, you know, because it's here. The one issue I have is with the sizing, because on his website, it's like, this brother is, say, like 6'3", 170 pounds or something, and wears a medium. But then you've got another one of like, this brother is 5'3", you know, 120 pounds and wears a medium, and it's like, that doesn't add up, Kanye. But yeah, so we're gonna open this up, hope for the best, because I should have realistically ordered a small, but some of the sizing measurements that I have seen have, you know, seemed like they're about right for me, I would say, but at the same time, I don't know about that, so yeah, I don't know. So these are the Yeezy Gap sateen cargo pants. They're not the sateen joggers, they're not the like normal cargo pants, they're not other things or anything like that, they're sateen cargo pants. It's very specific and different, but yeah. So let's get them out. We've got the packing slip. I can get rid of the bag. We've got the packing slip, which says, you know, everything, all the order and such, that they shipped it on the 23rd and they started the order on the 21st of April. And then it says below, if you place an order for a Yeezy pod, not sock, please be advised it will take between 4 to 8 weeks for it to be fulfilled. The item name is Yeezy Gap 12 Black Medium H12 Yeezy Satin Cargo Pant. And yeah, it's then got the location and everything. So we've got the bag, which obviously I'll show you the label, because this is how it should have been when they were shipped and everything, like to people and in general. This is how it, you know, should have been. I really wish that I could open the bag without it, like, yeah, like that, without going downhill, because if they don't fit me, it's actually going to be painful, I'm not going to lie. Waiting this long, and by the way, I don't own cargo pants, like, at all. Like, it's not a thing for me. Wow, these are really soft. Let's open these. Jesus Christ, Kanye. What? These are a medium? No, this isn't happening. This is not happening, Kanye, this is not these are not a medium, Kanye. What on earth are these? Brother. Can I just stand up and you can see, like, look at the size of them. What are those? Kanye. Yeah, no, these aren't fitting at all. Oh my God, I'm not keeping these. Jesus, this is terrible. Well, oh my God. Yeah, no thank you. No, not happening. Oh my God, Kanye. I can't believe I've waited that long for something that's absolutely oversized to hell and back. That is crazy. Wow. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. Well, here's the thing. Maybe for some people the oversized look is a thing for you. Going offside into putting them on, no, not me. It's not for me. I'm not even going to appear on camera wearing them because, oh my God. Like, it's not even a thing of, you know, oh, they're a little bit big or anything like that. It's the fact that they're like parachute pants. They're so big on me. They don't fit, and not even at the waist. I know that you've got like stretch and you can pull it tighter and such, but no, that's just not happening with me. So, oh God, I can't believe I've waited like 3 months. Oh well, for those who have been waiting for them and are happy with what you've received, I'm glad. Unfortunately, it's just not like that with me. There's the Yeezy Gap logo as well, that's on the inside, as you can see. There you go. So yeah, medium, made in Indonesia. Don't know what medium they go by, because that's not my medium. Yeah. That is going to cover this video. Apologies if I seem very disappointed or what have you with them. It's just, they feel really nice, they look cool. They're just too big, they're far too big. I can't wear them, I genuinely can't. They're just, oh jeez. Well, that's going to cover this video. So for those who have been waiting for their Yeezy orders as well, let me know how they went for you. Were they oversized? Were they true to size? Were you happy with the Yeezy pods, or have they like started to fall apart? Where have you worn them, you know? And yeah, that is pretty much going to cover it. Oh God. So yeah, oh jeez. Other than that, I can't believe this. I've had oversized things before, but oh my. But other than that, thank you for watching. I do hope that you have a good rest of your day. I don't seem like I'm like shrugging them off or anything, or that I'm like eh, but they're just, wow. They're way too big. Sorry. Yeah. It is what it is. That's going to cover it anyway, like I was saying. So I do hope that you have a good rest of your day. And other than that, I will see you all next time. Peace.